Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we've got a Skoda Octavia 1.4 TSI. So as you can see, it's finished in race blue, which is a factory extra. It's got just had new brakes at the front. It's got Continental tyres, all round, 2 keys, service history, cambelt's been done. As with all our cars, it's HPI clear, and they're all provided with 12 months MOT and a parts and labour warranty. So a nice clean car for the age and mileage. The bolt's really big on these. Got the air compressor and everything's all present. So it's got parking sensor plus with the display on this one. Video's really just to show you the condition of the car, all the info about the car, history, etc. will be on the advert. It's done 113,366 miles. Just take the price board out. Seats are really clean. No major wear anywhere. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. And there we go. As with all our cars, if you want an appointment, if you'd like to do a test drive, or you just want any more information, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thank you.